Hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 977, that is squares of a sorted array, and in this we'll be given a sorted array in non-decreasing order and we have to return an array of the squares of each number sorted in non-decreasing order. For example, we are given this array that is minus 4, 1, 0, 3, 1, 0, but we have to sort it on the basis of its square, that is 0, 1, 9, 16, 100, and this is and we are having a follow-up. Okay, first let me just explain the test case. That is 410310. The output will be the 4 square, that is 16. We'll have to place it somewhere after 10, and then we'll be having 1 square that will be placed here only. 0 square will come before 0, will come before 1. Then we are having 3 square. 3 square is 9, that will be placed somewhere between 10's 60 before after like after 10 and between 100, that is 16. Then 10 square, that is 100, that will be placed at the last position, that is the fourth index. So the output array is this. So for this what we'll be doing is we'll be using two pointer approach, but let's first have n that is equal to the length of the nums, not length, and let's have 2 pointers, that is and also let's just declare the result array, and result equal to new int of size n, and my left pointer is at 0, my right pointer will be at the last position, and I'll be also having an I pointer that will be pointing towards the result array, and it will be also at the n-1 position. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be using a while loop for 2 pointers. I'll be checking that if this value is less than this, then I'll be checking. Also I'll be also appending the squares. Like for example, if I'll be calculating the squares of both of these numbers, that is minus 4 and 10, I'll be having 16 and 100. As I know that 100 is more, so I'll be placing it at the end of the result array, and I'll be moving my right pointer -1, and then I'll be comparing between minus 4 square and 3 square. I'll be having 16, so I'll be placing 16 at the -2th index of the result array, and I'll be moving my left pointer plus. Okay, so this is how we'll be approaching it. And now let's just do while left is less than or equal to right. What I'll be doing, I'll be having a square that will be equal to maximum of the nums left square into nums left, and the maximum the nums right square into nums right. Okay, and then what I'll be doing is I'll be just appending at the result, and I'll be decreasing my I pointer will be equal to the square, and then I'll have to move my left or right pointer. So I'll be checking that if absolute value of nums left is less than absolute value of, yeah, so the absolute value of the nums right, and if the value present in the left is less than the right, so what I'll be doing, I'll be decreasing my right pointer, else I'll be increasing my left pointer, and at the end I'll have to just return result. Okay, so now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, but I'll just show you a quick code for Python also. Yeah, it's visible only. So let's have an answer variable. That in this what I'll be doing, I'll be using a list comprehension, that num into num for num in nums, and I'll just return sorted answer. Okay, now let's submit it directly only. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.